Okay.
Katal song ni bang lyrics.
Then you run in Discord.
Lay Rohan.
Introducing Rohan Rangkong.
Nade.
Kena diberi, kena malah disari. Tukung musuh tengki faje musa kok kuri. Nadi dalaran sawaran ya kubi kok sanai. Luku bong sude kok hotem nono sinanayang. Genang legos maya punya bata yupaya. Middle class so asai pagi tangani asu kom ya. Kepal ni beman chung hai sama naik keri. Mukung kepala nok me horo tuji atu kri. Jora rok saya ko batong na je entei. Mairung kuri canai miya hak keri. Kepang le kore saya jen musuh keri. Tali rozan amani naik kesarok kecil.
Yeah. Look, mic check, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, they say I'm broke for real. Yeah, I'm broke, but I'm rich in my mind. Stacking up, limited cash, one at a time. Life gets hard, but I'm still focused on the grind. Never gonna stop until I'm hitting my prime. Look, I'm used to wearing them pre-owned shoes. Baggy pants, untucked, the brain little bit screwed. When I get too many calls, I hit my phone and snooze. On the other side, we got the hustler's mentality. Working on a daily basis with the same energy. Feeling like top D's, drip like triple OG. Every time we hop on a mic, it's a killing spree.
Wah.
Okay, bugi tanya bugi panya kepala midan sana sana ya ni kau dah berkena kita lah si hona ya no kerikan rumah bah pengen si inai hai fata bata jije fata kapaya si tunai genang bersana ro kaya sungje musuh tui pasha panya salah ni hingke kong naik kolom tui keri hama kisah ni kau ya lema leng semut tui maya puja keri mokol lu ya iman lu mamutang ya jati gusti sanang liya.
Put me on the table where to talk about the money. Trying to live lavish and obsessed with the luxuries. Under honey, but the heroes me. Keeping it real voice from the northeast. That's the reason we're sharing the same kind of vibe with my brodies.
Yo, tell you running Discord. Introducing Rohan Rangkong.
Le.
That song for entertainment no. Sini rap song for that.